First at 10, childhood cancer has not taken a break during the COVID-19 pandemic, with oncologists at Helen DeVos remaining very busy throughout the last several months. Our Angeline McCall spoke with the hospital about a grant it received to continue enrolling patients into much-needed clinical trials. Angeline.
Ryan, it is so true to say that clinical trials are the way forward to find cures for childhood cancer. And with a new grant of $50,000 that was given to Helen DeVos Children's Hospital, it will allow them to continue enrolling pediatric patients into these types of life-saving treatment.
Well, it's been an interesting time, that's for sure. The sad news is that childhood cancer did not take any kind of a break because of COVID, that's for sure. We have remained very, very busy.
Dr. James Fauner, Division Chief of Pediatric Oncology at Helen DeVos Children's Hospital, says he's walked with patients hand in hand during what's been a frightening time for families receiving a new diagnosis.
And so it's just added an extra layer of complexity and anxiety, and it's really been frightening for our families. So we've tried to be right there with them, reassure them.
One way to give hope is through clinical trials and research.
Clinical trials has really become the standard of care for children with cancer. So the great majority of our children, whenever possible, get enrolled in one of these national cooperative group trials because it means that they have access to the most current, most promising cutting-edge therapy that's available anywhere in the United States.
Through a new $50,000 grant from St. Baldrick's Foundation, more children will be able to receive that newly developed treatment in its earliest stages. The grant was given to just over a dozen hospitals across the United States.
So we feel like we're in very, very good company and a very exclusive company to be chosen for this, and we're really grateful.
While some clinical trials were halted due to the pandemic, Helen DeVos has continued enrolling patients, and with this new grant, doesn't plan to stop anytime soon.
It's a lifesaver for our children and families because they don't have to leave the security and the comforts of their home and their home community and the support of our children's hospital because they're able to get these national clinical trials right here at home.
Helen DeVos is part of the Children's Oncology Group. It is the largest and the oldest international consortium of children's hospitals all across the world. And it's one of the reasons why clinical trials are still made available to pediatric patients. Reporting in Grand Rapids, Angeline McCall, Fox 17 News.